Hey crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's another venture out to the Dollar Tree, and wow, I found some really amazing items that I cannot wait to share with you. So let's dive in. Now I'm starting off in home decor. Check out these new frames. They look so high end. I love that rustic finish, and it looks kind of antiqued in this brassy gold. And then look at this one in white. Very pretty. Dollar Tree is really stepping up their game with their decor items, and these are still just $1.25. Another item that I saw was this frame. This one has a kind of muted gold frame as well. This is a brand new arrival. Never seen this before for $125. I also saw these bottles. Now these may have come out before, but they're perfect in time for spring, you guys. And look, this one with the owls and the little hearts, that would fit right into Valentine's decor, and that pastel color fits right into Easter. So you can use this for multiple seasons, or if you want to use it for a gift, it fits into both of those areas. Over in kitchenwares, I found new Disney items. Now this time I found these sponge holders and all the Disney characters, and Mickey Mouse, here's one in Minnie Mouse. They also had Winnie the Pooh, he's kind of hanging out back there, and they did also have one that was in Stitch. Now I'm not sure if there's any more, but these are the 4 that I saw, and they have those large suction cups to fit inside of your sinks for $150. Also in the Disney collection, I found more of these straws. So these come in a 3-pack in different themes. Now this 3-pack is the Winnie the Pooh version. And then for this one, this is the Stitch version with 3 straws. They have Minnie and Mickey Mouse. And let me tell you guys, these are so fun for the kiddos. They all come in like a squiggly little design. I think that that would be so fun for them. And I think that these are great. Now check these out. Over in health and beauty, the character items continue with the Smurfs and these little towels. They also have it in Garfield in a little towel. You could also get this one with Emily in Paris. That one is in the form of a towel, and of course SpongeBob. Those are also $125 in the health and beauty. While I was in health and beauty, I saw a few more new items. Have you guys seen this vibrating eye massager? I have never seen this before. Now I did see it in 2 different colors. Let me know in the comments if you have used or tried this, or is it worth the buy for $125? I mean, it is just $125, but let me know what you think. Also, this is a highly sought item, and I didn't realize it until I found it, and then it was gone the next day. These mini LED makeup mirrors, they come in green, pink, and they did have a purple one, but yes, those are highly sought. If you see them, grab them. Now we've all seen these little containers of the antibacterial wipes, and it comes with 20 wipes in there, but I have never seen this one, and this one is the pumpkin latte version. It does come in a 20 count as well. Now over in the cleaning section, I found some Carbona items. This one is the ceramic cooktop cleaner. When I saw this, I thought it was a plus item, but no, this is $1.50 for this item, you guys. Now when I looked it up online, I did find it on Amazon, one for $14.99, or you could get them $5 each if you buy a 3-pack, but still Dollar Tree beats that price. Now I found even more Carbona items. Now this one is the laundry pre-treat item, and you could use this on for stains and things on your laundry. Again, another Carbona brand. Now when I looked online for that, it was also more, including this laundry odor remover, another Carbona. So I found 2 of these items over in for laundry treatment items. And let me tell you, when I looked these up online, I was shocked. I did see $13.99 for the odor remover, and then for the pre-treat was $7.19. Get them at Dollar Tree for $150. Now hiding at another store, I found this Carbona item. This is the laundry soaker with the Oxy power, and it's good for colors and whites, and I thought this was a great thing. It comes in a 3-pack. Now I did find this on Amazon. It was $6.99, or you can get 2 packs for $9.99, but get it at Dollar Tree instead for $150. Check out these in the garden section. Everybody needs these metal signs. No soliciting. Pick up after your pet. They even had one that said no trespassing. These were selling really quickly off the shelves. Do not pass these if you're in the store. Don't think about it. Just grab them for $150. And check it out, St. Patrick's Day items are now hitting the floor. Now, all of these items are coming out at once. You got Easter and Valentine's Day because there is a very short window for these things to be sold after Christmas. Now, what I'm showing you now are all the cute signs. These are the MDF wood signs with the segments and the different sections. But check this out. This drink container flying off the shelf. First of all, it's a nice huge size. It's in the shape of a little barrel. I love this. I definitely picked this up. If you see this, definitely grab one. They are not gonna last long, and these items are so much fun. Now check these out. They have even more items in St. Patrick's Day, like your towels. Now, I will tell you, the towels are much thicker than years past, but they are polyester. Now, they had a lot of wearables, of course, your socks and things like that, more towels of different types of styles, and they have some more licensed style socks as well. So I'm seeing some bluey and some peanuts kind of mixed in there. So make sure you check your stores. Now, these socks always are fun. Who is your Patty? Yes, I love those socks. Of course, there's decor as well. They have lots of garlands. So you could choose the long sparkly garland, or you could even go with the felt garland with shamrocks and clovers, some lighted strands here they got that are battery operated, multicolored garland as well in these packs, and even some with some glitter. So if you're decorating for St. Patrick's Day, you could do that. You also can get the garland covered like wreath frames as well in multiple styles at the store, and you could repurpose those. Now, if you're looking for wearables, lots of fun bow ties. I think these are super cute. These are really nice as well. Now check out all the beaded items at the Dollar Tree for St. Patrick's Day. Lots of different things and shamrocks, beads. They have some gold ones with like a beer mug. I mean, so many different kinds. And if you need garland, tons of it. You can find all kinds in St. Patrick's Decor. In the food section, a new item, you guys. So these are by Sarita. You get the jasmine rice 1 pound bag for $1.25. You can get the Sarita premium long grain brown rice. This is a 2 pound bag here for $1.25. You can get the Sarita premium long grain white rice. This is a 2 pound bag as well for $1.25. And they did have a Newfield bag of long grain parboiled rice. That one's also just $1.25. Now, if you're looking for more spicy noodle options, I saw this one. This one kind of stuck out to me. So yes, always dig through those noodle sections. If you love noodles, they're always coming up with something new for $1.25. It looks like the Sparkling Ice brand now has a caffeine drink. It just arrived in a can at my Dollar Tree. You could see they have assorted flavors. And the great thing is these are the caffeine drinks and they have 0 sugar. I know we're all looking to try to get healthy. At least I am. So 0 sugar is right up my alley. Also, check these out. These are the collagen and biotin jello shots. Now, these for some reason are going super viral. Let me know if you have tried these. I have seen them and then they disappear so quickly. Also, these candies here, these are the larger bags of candy. They were $3.50. My Dollar Tree took them all and marked them all down to $1.25. And I've been told that every Dollar Tree is doing this. So if you see these larger bags of candy that are in the $3.50 section, scan them. They're coming up $1.25. Great deal for these larger bags. Now, are you ready for some football? Well, Dollar Tree apparently is, and they have so many things. So they have the table covers that look like the football field. And check this out. This is inflatable decor. This is really cute for a decoration if you're having a Super Bowl party or football party. They have a 12-pack of latex balloons, and these look like little footballs. How cute is that? Those are super cute, all just $1.25. They do have a whistle with a lanyard here. Now you can remove the whistle and just use it for a keys, lanyard, or anything like that. So you can multi-purpose for these. So these are also a really great deal. If you're looking for some letter banners, they have this touchdown banner. This is also a part of that collection for the football. And then they have these 3 twirl decorations that you could decorate in the space as well. Check these 6 paper trays. They look like a football field, but you can put all kinds of snacks in them for your Super Bowl gathering. And also they have this 6 pack of tumbler cups. I love these. These are really fun. It says game time on there. You can reuse them and don't have to toss them away. Now they do have these larger serving trays. You can put all kinds of snacks and hors d'oeuvres on. These are great. I love that they're football shaped and they are a solid plastic. Now the fun thing is to go with it, you can grab these football shaped plates. These are plastic plates. They do come in a 10 pack. How fun is that? So yes, you can get the plates to match the tray for this collection. I just thought that was really fun. Here's some napkins as well. They look like the football field. How cute is that? You get 18 of these napkins. You can also craft with a lot of these. Now right next to it, if you look closely, these are little piñatas. They're in the shape of a football. Now you don't have to use them as piñatas. You could definitely use them as table scatter, table decor, whatever you want to do, but that's a part of the collection and these are $125. Now check these out. They also have this 6-pack of snack cups for your candies, popcorn, peanuts, whatever you might want to snack on. These do come in a 6-pack and they are a part of the collection. Now check up top. They did have these balloon weights. See those little footballs up there? So cute. And then they have one that has little stars on there as well. Again, these are a part of the collection. You can use them for whatever you want. Now I did spot in the wearables some new slides. We've seen these before, but they've come back again. They are $1.50, but they do come in black, gray. I did see some in blue, and I also see them in pink. Not bad for just $1.50. So yes, if you're looking for slides that are on the cheap, check out the Dollar Tree. Now there are some more footwear items, but they're over in the plus section. So let's take a look over there, and they do have these little fake Crocs, I would call them. They're all $6, and I saw them in gray and kind of this lavender pink color, and they have them. I love that they have them in adult and children sizes. Now at another store, I did see that they did have white as well. So if you're looking for that, check that out. The lanterns are also back for the spring, and I love these. They're only $6, and you can get them in like a white grid pattern, or you can get them with a little arch opening. I love these, and these are the solar lanterns. Now they do have a black option as well, and you can decorate these to go with any season. Now this was new. These are hanging planters that are a basket. Never seen these before. Now we've seen baskets, but this is a hanging version. It's also lined with plastic so you can put your plants inside. And I did see 2 different versions of this, and these are just $5. Another item are these. These are returning, but I noticed they're slightly different, but they're super cute. So these are little solar animals, and you see the eyes, they will light up at night after charging all day to sit in the sun. They did have fox and the frog and the puppy. I mean, they had all kinds of little critters, anything to go with your garden. So if you're looking for adding something different, something with a pop of color, definitely check these out at Dollar Tree. All these little critter solar items are just $4. So make sure you check those out. They just put those on the shelf at my store. They also have little solar houses. Now they didn't have but a few on my shelf, so either they sold out pretty quickly or these are left over from last year and they're bringing them back. But I saw these. These are really neat. Now they're $5, and you can get these 2 in like a house style. It's got like a mossy finish on the top, got that solar panel on there. Or you can get the mushroom ones. I don't believe I saw the mushroom version last year, but these are really cute. So this one I love because it does have the red and says little welcome on there, and they look like little houses. They do light up at night. Those are really neat, and for $5 you can get those. Now you can expand your television variety with this Wonder Wand. Never seen this before at the Dollar Tree. It's only $5, and apparently it will allow you to have some access to some more channels. I know a lot of people are cutting the cord now. So yes, if you're looking for some options, definitely check this out. It's only $5 at Dollar Tree. And check out these large containers. So these are Rubbermaid take-along bowl containers. It comes in a 2-pack. Now this large bowl is $15 0.7 cups large. So you can fit a considerable amount of food in these items. Right next to it, they have this rectangle one, and this one is 1.1 gallon. This one is huge as well. So if you notice, not only is it large and in a 2-pack, it's labeled at $6. Now, originally I'm thinking $6 for plastic containers is too much, but looking at Target on sale, they're selling for the same price. So yes, Dollar Tree is right on the line with that price. So yes, get them both at $6. Now they do have some more rope baskets out that I spotted this week. This one is really nice. It's gray with the 2 handles, and this one's more in an oblong shape. So this one's just slightly larger than 12 by 10 by 8. You can get it in gray and you can get them in white. So if you're looking for small storage baskets that have the rope style, check these out at Dollar Tree. Now they do have this too. This is a Crayola Color Whirl spinner. It comes with a marker and you can create all kinds of art with it. I thought it was kind of neat. They only had 2 on the shelf at one of my Dollar Trees in the area. Now they are scanning for $5 for these, but I did take a look online and I did find them at Target. They were selling for $3.99, so get them for $1 less at Target if you really want to find these. I couldn't believe that Dollar Tree has had a whole end cap full of Fisher-Price name brand toys. If you're looking for some toys for birthdays or celebrations, check this out. They had this 4-piece instrument set. It's only $5 for the Fisher-Price brand. Another item they had over there was this one as well. So this one is the party trumpet. I can imagine you can have some fun with this one too. So this one is labeled at $5. Again, another Fisher-Price name brand item at Dollar Tree. Now, right next to that, they had this, which is the party microphone. I can imagine some fun with that one too. So if you're looking for something for the littles, something that's entertaining for them, or just something to have fun, this is $5 for this party microphone. Now, one of the things that was really impressive was this. So this is My First Guitar by Fisher-Price. Now, this is a large toy, so it is labeled at $10. But I can imagine all of the different functions of this, and I'm sure the kids would have a blast with this item. Now, on another aisle, I did find these. These are water squirters. This is also another Fisher-Price name brand item, you guys. So make sure you check all the aisles for these. They're kind of hidden in there, so you can have some fun with those. Now, these were another new arrival. Snacks and Stackers by EAI. This is the snack box. It has 4 side buckles to secure the whole container, but it has 4 individual containers on the inside. So yes, this is much different than that first one I did find. Now you can get this container, which is really pretty good quality. I was actually impressed. You can get it for just $5. You can get it in pink, green, and then they have like a neutral like ivory color, or you can get this in tan. This was all that was on the shelf at my Dollar Tree. I was told it was totally full the day before, so get them when you see them for $5. Now at another store I did find this one. So this one was a little bit more lightweight, but it does have 4 individual compartments as well. They're all fixed compartments and it comes with a handle. This one is also just $5 at Dollar Tree. Now the other one I did find was this one. So these are both the Shelfmate brand. This is one large container. It's huge. So the compartments in, you get a large compartment, a medium compartment, and 2 small compartments in one container. I love that each compartment has a liftable lid, so you can keep everything nice and separate. And this is also just $5. Now listen, if you missed my last Dollar Tree video featuring even more fun, amazing finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope you all find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. Now if this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.